Hello everyone, my name is Altamash and you're watching Teach AZ. In this video, I will teach you class 11th digestion and absorption. So let's continue this video. So we will study Unit 5, Chapter 16, Digestion and Absorption. At first, a question arises, what is digestion? Digestion होता क्या है? Basically, it is a mechanical and biochemical process. Mechanical and biochemical process. In mechanical process, we do mastication, means the grinding or lubrication of food, and then we go for churning. And in biochemical process, enzymes are released. As you can see that this is our complex food which converting into the simple absorbable food with the help of these mechanical and bioenzymes and also water. It means digestion is a process in which the complex food convert into simple absorbable food by these mechanical and biochemical processes. Further, we study the digestive system. In the digestive system, we will learn about associated glands, alimentary canal. The length of our alimentary canal is 6 to 9 meter long. In associated glands, we will learn about salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, and intestinal gland. Alimentary canal has three parts: foregut, which is ectodermal part of alimentary canal; midgut, the endodermal part of alimentary canal; and the hindgut, ectodermal part of alimentary canal, which is also called anal canal. As you can see in this picture, this is midgut, the endodermal part or a middle part of the alimentary canal, and this one is hindgut, the ectodermal part of alimentary canal. Further, we will learn the foregut part of alimentary canal, which is buccal cavity or oral cavity. The space inside our mouth is called buccal cavity or oral cavity. Now we will discuss vestibule. The space between teeth and cheeks is called vestibule. हमारे दांतों और गालों के बीच के खाली स्थान को vestibule कहते हैं. As you can see in the picture by the red color marking, this is phrased as vestibule. Now come to the figure. Here you can clearly see the oral cavity, tongue, jaw, lips, and the nasal cavity. We will discuss about the nasal cavity in further classes, but now you can see the pharynx, esophagus, trachea, the epiglottis. Here the trachea is air pipe and the esophagus is food pipe. The opening of air pipe is glottis and the opening of esophagus is called gullet. And glottis is nothing but the cartilaginous flap which prevent the entry of food in trachea. Now come to the second figure. In oral cavity, we can clearly see the teeth, the tongue, the soft palate and the hard palate and uvula also. You can go to the mirror and clearly see them. Now what is hard palate, soft palate and uvula? When we up our tongue and touch to the upper part of oral cavity, you will feel some hardness that is called hard palate, and then you will feel some softness called soft palate, and uvula is nothing but the modification of soft palate. The most important part of oral cavity for mastication and lubrication for food are teeth and tongue. The teeth. Here you can see teeth is divided in three parts. First one is crown, second one is neck, and third is root. In crown part of teeth, enamel and dentines are present. Enamel is the uppermost layer of teeth. Here you can also see the pulp cavity which contains blood vessel and nerves, periodontal ligaments, root canal, apical foramen, gums and bones. पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट गम्स एंड बोन्स हेल्प करते हैं दांत को जकड़ के रखने में. The apical foramen is the part from where these nerves and blood vessels enters the pulp cavity. Let us discuss about the enamel. I told you, It is the outer or ectodermal part of teeth, formed by ameloblast cells and the most hardest part of our body, and it helps in the production of teeth. Now, come to dentine. Its origin is mesodermal and formed by odontoblast cells, and it is the bony part of the teeth. And also one important thing, enamel लाइफ में एक ही बार बनते हैं. अगर ये लेयर उतर गई तो फिर दोबारा नहीं बन सकती. Types of teeth in human. Four types of teeth present in human. First, thecodont, the teeth embedded in socket, जो socket में धसे होते हैं. These type of teeth also can be seen in crocodile. Second is buenodont, it is teeth with small crowns. Third is diphyodont, two sets of teeth, and the fourth is heterodont, different types of teeth. In thecodont, as you can see in this picture, the teeth are embedded in socket. Second, buenodont, the small crowns, also you can see in this picture, these small crowns. Third is diphyodont, and the fourth is heterodont. Let us know what is diphyodont. Diphyodont is a set of two teeth. First one primary dentition जिसे हम milk teeth और replacing teeth भी कहते हैं, and second one is secondary dentition also known as adult or permanent teeth. As you can see in this picture, this is our upper jaw and this is lower jaw. And this is the partition of upper and lower jaw. Means half side of upper jaw has 8 teeth and half side of lower jaw has 8 teeth. Same as in the opposite side of upper jaw has also 8 teeth and in lower jaw has 8 teeth. So total 32 teeth. And these 8 teeth have 2 incisor, 1 canine teeth, 2 premolar and 3 molar. Now, what is primary dentition? It is our milk teeth or first teeth that are incisor, canine, molar but only 2 molars, first and second molar. The third molar will appear in secondary dentition or adult teeth. Here you can see the premolar teeth is absent in milk teeth. There is no premolar teeth because it will also appear in secondary dentition. So incisor is equal to 2, canine is equal to 1, premolar is 0 and molar but only 2 molars. So total is equal to 5 teeth. And as we learned few minutes ago, we have 4 partition. Upper half jaw both left and right and lower half jaw both left side and right side. So we can say 5 into 4 is equal to 20 teeth. Means in upper jaw is equal to 10 teeth and in lower jaw is equal to 10 teeth. Now listen carefully. प्राइमरी टीथ में क्योंकि प्रीमोलर एंड थर्ड मोलर नहीं होते हैं जिसे अकल दांत या फिर विजडम टीथ भी कहते हैं, means premolar is equal to 8 teeth and third molar is equal to 4 teeth are absent in primary dentition. Now come to secondary dentition or permanent teeth. ये टोटल 32 टीथ्स होते हैं प्राइमरी टीथ एंड परमानेंट टीथ को मिलाकर. प्राइमरी टीथ इज इक्वल टू 20 टीथ्स एंड परमानेंट टीथ इज इक्वल टू 12 टीथ्स. So total 32 teeth are present in secondary dentition. Here you can see primary teeth दोनों जगह में, primary और secondary में भी. But when you look at permanent teeth, ये 12 teeth only permanent में होते हैं जो लाइफ में एक ही बार आते हैं. But primary teeth लाइफ में 2 times आते हैं, primary dentition में भी और secondary dentition में भी. Heterodont teeth, different types of teeth. It has 4 types. First, incisor for cutting or biting, and second is canine for tearing. Third is premolar for grinding of food, and last one is molar also for grinding of food. Now, the number of roots in heterodont teeth. In incisor and canine both have one root, and in premolar, upper jaw has 2 roots and lower jaw has 1 root. In molar, upper jaw has 3 roots and lower jaw has 2 roots. Now, in this picture, you can see the arrangement of teeth here, the incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. And these are the sockets where teeth are embedded. Now, we will learn a very important topic, the dental formula. What is dental formula? So it is the arrangement of teeth in each half of upper and lower jaw in order of incisor, canine, premolar and molar is represented by a dental formula. The dental formula is equal to half of upper jaw of teeth, incisor, canine, premolar and molar by the half of lower jaw of teeth, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. In example, dental formula of adult is equal to half of upper jaw of incisor, canine, premolar and molar by the half of lower jaw of incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So in adult, half of upper jaw has 2 incisor teeth, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar. By half of lower jaw has same 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molars. So half of upper jaw has total 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 8 teeth, and also half of lower jaw has 8 teeth. And because half of upper jaw and lower jaw has 8 teeth, then total upper jaw has teeth is equal to 8 into 2 is equal to 16, and total lower jaw has teeth is equal to 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Total is equal to 32 teeth. Dental formula of milk teeth is equal to half of upper jaw of incisor, canine, premolar and molar by half of lower jaw of incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Half of upper jaw has 2 incisor, 1 canine, 0 premolar and 2 molars only. By same, half of lower jaw has 2 incisor, 1 canine, 0 premolar and 2 molars. So half of upper jaw has total 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 5 teeth, and also half of lower jaw has total 5 teeth. And because half of upper jaw has 5 teeth, so total upper jaw has 5 into 2 is equal to 10 teeth, and total lower jaw has teeth is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 teeth. So total 20 teeth. You can also try these examples. Thank you viewers, thanks for watching. For further classes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And for any doubt, you can comment below.